Hello learners, welcome back. So today again we have a short video where we will be discussing a few questions of subject verb agreement. So the first question says rice and curry dash my favorite food. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be is. Let's understand this. See, rice and curry. When we hear rice and curry, we perceive it to be two different things. हमें लगता है ये दो अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, राइट? और ये अलग चीज़ें हैं भी. लेकिन जब हम इन्हें खाते हैं, when we eat these two things, we mix them together and eat. So they are seen as single entity. So we use singular verb to denote such entities, right? Which are seen as a group together. Moving on to the next question. Neither of the answers dash right. The correct answer will be was. The correct answer will be was, right? So we need to remember one thing. If neither will be used in any of the sentence, we will always use a singular verb. Even if the answers is plural, but still we will use a singular verb because neither is used in this sentence. Moving on to the next question. The captain as well as the sailors dash missing. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be was. Right now, why was will be the correct answer? Because whenever two subjects are joined using as well as, we always see the first subject. Now here see, first subject is captain. हमारा जो पहला subject है वो captain है, जो कि singular है. तो जो verb हम use करेंगे वो भी singular होगा. तो कौन सा verb होगा इसमें? Was. Coming to the fourth one, the sailors as well as the captain dash missing. So the correct answer will be are. Right? जैसे मैंने अभी आपको explain किया. As well as से जब हम दो सब्जेक्ट ज्वाइन करेंगे, subject 1, subject 2, we will always see the first subject. So the first subject is plural. See, sailors. So we will use a plural verb are. Right? In the third one, our first subject captain was singular. That's why we have used a singular verb was. Thank you. Keep learning.